In this video, I will show you the double crochet. Excuse me. So I have a video on the single crochet, the chain, the single crochet, and the half double crochet. So this is the double crochet. So it's easy to just yarn over. And remember not to do this, but when you yarn over, turn your wrist. Turn your wrist. And then insert your hook in the chain. Grab your yarn, turn your wrist down. You're gonna have 3 loops. And then again, grab your yarn. Move your wrist down. Go through 2 loops. And then again, grab your yarn and go through the 2 last loops. So that looks weird. Wait, oh, okay. Well, that's the thing. This yarn, this yarn, Red Heart Super Saver, it's a nice yarn, but it does split a lot, so you may have issues starting to crochet with this because of this. So yeah, let's do it. So yarn over, insert your hook in the chain. Grab your yarn, 1, go through 1 loop. Grab your yarn, turn your wrist down, grab through 2 loops, then grab your yarn and then go through the last 2 loops. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, then again turn your wrist down, go through 1, yarn over, turn your wrist down, go through 2, then yarn over, down, the last 2, and that's your double crochet. So just easy yarn over, insert your hook, come back, yarn over, turn your hand down, pull through. You're gonna have your 3 loops, yarn over, down through 2, and then yarn over, down, and 2. And that is the double crochet. I'll do it one more time. So just grab your yarn, yarn over, again, turn your hand. Make sure the hook is down. Insert, and then grab again your yarn. Pull through 1. You're going to have 3. Grab your yarn, turn your hand, go down. 2. Grab your yarn, turn your hook down, and through 3. And that, it looks kind of weird because I'm skipping chains, but that is your double crochet. So that's your double crochet. Practice, 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 practice. Just make your chains and practice. It doesn't have to look beautiful. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just practice. Again, it's the best way to learn. I know it's frustrating, but because you want to start your project probably, you know, as soon as possible, but that's the best way to do it. So that's your double crochet.